All right, I'm Serdarius Blain from Jumanji and The Big Leap on Fox, Mondays, 9, 8 Central. I'm here with Dr. Shalabi. He's about to get me right, get this neck and this back all straight so I can, get back to the action movies, Shoot. Whew. Wow. Okay. That was a little scary, but wow. Wow. I'll take it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's like radiating through my body, like through my shoulders and everything. Oh, wow. It's like Jello. I can move. Wow. All right. All right. You got me. I might have been a little bit skeptical, but I'm a believer.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Mm. Yeah. Whew. Yep. That's the spot. Wow. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh, wow. It's amazing. Man, if I can breathe better. No. Mm. Whoa. Damn. Yeah. That's the one. Damn, I should have came here sooner. Whew. Wow. Oh. Oh. Damn. Wow. Ooh. Whew. Yeah. Well, just later. Wow. Yeah. Man. I feel it even when I'm like driving and stuff, like that side when it's like tilted like that. That's great.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Whoa. What the? Wow. That's made me like lightheaded. Wow. Yeah. Wow. I never had that before. Wow. I feel like I just woke up. Man. Take care of your bodies, people. I'll tell you that much. Jeez. That's amazing. Wow. Ooh, thank you, man. Wow.